So good morning, guys. In the last session, we discussed about like how to create Windows virtual machine, right?
Yes.
So today we are going to discuss like how to create Linux virtual machine, and we are going to discuss basic Linux commands. Got it? Hello.
Okay, Sandeep.
So before creating the virtual machine, what are the things we had to create?
Resource group, virtual network, subnets.
Hello.
Yeah, Sandeep, are you able to hear?
Yes, yes. Now I can able to hear.
Yeah, resource group, virtual network, and subnet.
Resource group, virtual network, and subnet.
Subnet.
Okay. Yes. So resource group is a group of services. Virtual network is nothing but image network.
Imagine
Virtual network is a subnet of a virtual network, and virtual machine is nothing but a imaginary computer.
computer.
Right.
Yes.
So now, first I'm going to create a portal.azure.com. I'm going to select the resource group. I'm going to create a resource group, and the resource group name is got it. Click on or the subtile. Click on next thanks and finally review. So after creating the resource group, I'm going to create a
Virtual network.
virtual network. Right? I'll go to virtual network, create a virtual network. And the virtual network name is Azure Planning. Next, next. I'm going to take a 10.10.0.0/16. I'm going to take the subnet planning subnet 10.10.1.0/24. One sec. It's clear. Next tags and finally review. Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
No, Sandeep.
So after creating the virtual network subnet, we had to create a virtual machine, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is mean by image?
Yeah, image is nothing but an operating system in the service where we can select Windows and other OS and Unix OSs.
Yeah. So I'll go ahead with virtual missions. Create a Azure virtual mission. And I'm going to select the resource group and virtual mission name. I'm just making like Linux mission. And the region East US. And availability zone that we're going to discuss in the comment sections. No infrastructure redundancy required. Security type standard. Image, right? So mostly we're going to okay, let it be explain about the Ubuntu. So you can go with the Red Hat also. Okay. You go with the Red Hat. So here I have selected the Red Hat 8.7, or you can go with the latest version also is fine. So always in the organization n minus 1. N minus 1 means, so whatever the latest version is there, minus 1. So that version is going to use in the organization. Got it?
Okay.
It's clear.
Yes.
So 2 CP 4 GB. For Linux machine, we don't require the 2 CP and 4 GB RAM. So when compared to the Windows, Linux machine is going to, we need less memory when compared to that. So 1 CP, 1 GB is fine. Okay. It's clear. Or 1 CP, 2 GB RAM also, right? 1 CP, 2 GB RAM. That is also fine. Password. And here we can access the Linux machine by using the two ways. What are this? Two ways. First, I'll explain you about the by using the username and password. Okay. I'll go with username is India. Password is India etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? So you have to add the ports. What are the ports that we're going to discuss afterwards? Click on none. Next disk. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do one thing. Here only I'll give the ports. Yeah. So how we are using the RDP in the same way you have to access the port. SSH port. What is the port number?
SSH.
SSH. It's nothing but port number 22. Okay. Next disk. Already we discussed about the standard SSD and standard SSD, right? Yes or no? I'm
Yes.
going with standard SSD. Next networking. And whatever the virtual network and subnet you have given, the same thing you have to select here. Next management. Next monitoring. Disable. Next advanced. Next tags. And finally review and create. You can see here it is showing like per hour how much it is charging here.
1.7. 1
1
rupee
point.
7 paise.
Got it. Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
So how we are going to access the Windows machine? What is the tool we are using? We are using to access the Windows machine. What is the tool we are using to access the Windows machine?
RDB.
RDP. What
Yeah,
is the
RDP.
port number? What is the port number?
Double three.
SS
33.
89.
3389.
Same thing. If you want to access the Linux machine, you have to use the tool called
Putty.
port number is 22. Got it. So there are two things are there.
These
So
are the default values, right, Sandeep?
the default. So generally we have like 65,500 ports. Okay. So few ports is going to be we have like default ports. Okay. It's clear. So what we are discussing, like, yeah, installation of. So generally you have the two things. What are they? Putty and putty gel. What is it? Putty and putty gel. Putty is nothing but to access the Linux machine, right? What is it? To access the Linux machine. Guys are able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
Putty gen is nothing
Yes.
but to change. Putty gen is nothing but to change PEM key to private key. What is it? Which is in the PEM to TPK format. Okay, so just so how to download this putty and putty gen? We can download it. How we can download putty gen. So you can download from a website. You can go to a website. Free download. There is a Chark Green and ORG is their website. You can go here. Just give this link here. So if you want to download the putty, you can see the putty.exe. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
Putty.exe. Putty.gen means you can see that putty generator will be there. This is a putty.exe, and here you can see the putty.gen. What is it? The link putty generator. Just go download it. Right. Command line copy and soft copy and putty 10. Putty backend authentication putty ds. Yeah, you can see the putty ds. Are you able to see here putty generator? If you click on the putty gen, it is going to download. If you want to click on putty.exe, it is going to download. Is it clear? After download, just you can go here and you can double click. Any doubts here? Any questions?
Sandeep, need to download two or only one required?
We require both. You have to download two things. One is putty.exe
Okay.
to access the Linux
Okay.
machine. Putty generator, puttygen.exe to change PEM key to the private key. That I will explain. You have to download both the
Okay,
things.
Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep.
After downloading that, you have to install it. Just click on double click, it is going to install. It's already installed in my computer. Okay. Is clear? Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
Yeah. First method, I'll go to virtual machine. Already you know, known method is Linux machine. You'll just get the public IP, right? What is the difference between public IP and private IP? What is the difference between public IP and private IP? Yeah, go
In
ahead.
public IP, external communication. In private IP, internal communication.
Private IP, internal communication. This is very, very important. One of my student selected in organization. So while giving the KT, they have show the KT and they have deployed and it is going to access in the mission VM. Then and he called me and he asked me, Sandeep, I'm not able to access that. And the KT I can able to access it, but now I am not able to access. What is the reason? Behalf of public IP, which is doing the private IP. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
It's very, very important. Okay. Okay. So just copy this public IP, go with the putty. I just go with the putty here. You can see the putty, right? Why it is going here? Okay. So here you have to give the public IP. And while giving the virtual machine, we have given the port number. What is the port number?
22.
22. So same like RDP is a 3389, it's 22. Click on open. Click on accept. What is the login? Username is India. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, Sandeep.
Settings. No?
Yes.
Satish, are you able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
So login is I'm giving the username is India and password is India at the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Password is not going to be appear, okay? It's going to be hide, okay? Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
And it's so when you're getting this dollar symbol, It's a badge. So once you get the badge, log into the mission.
Yeah.
Any doubts or any questions, Satish, Aravind, and Sharath?
No.
No, sir.
This is the way you can able to access the Linux mission. So where you can able to access the Linux machine by using the username and password. Okay. And there is a one more method also there. I'm going to create a virtual machine. Create a Azure virtual machine. I'll select the resource group name is Azure Training, and the virtual machine name is Linux machine. Sir, have to follow me
Yes, yes, Sandeep.
and select the East US. Availability zone known for such a redundancy required, and security type standard,
Standard.
and image same I'm taking here, same image 8.7. The resource group Azure Training mission Linux mission 2 East US, none for such a redundancy required, security type standard, image Red Hat, and size 1 CPU 2 GB RAM. Got it? Guys, are able to follow me?
Yes.
Here it's very important. So behalf of authenticating the Linux machine using the password, right? Using the password, I'm using the SSH public key. What is it?
SSH public.
So Azure now automatically generate the SSH key pair for you and allow you to store the further use. So it is automatically it is going to create a public key. Got it? Key pair. So internally you're going to have the public key, and we'll have the externally private key. When you assign this public key to the private key, then only you can able to access the Linux machine. Got it? Hello?
And Sandeep, this option is available only for the
Linux.
Unix. Yeah,
Only
Unix only.
Linux, Unix, anything.
Okay.
Not for the Windows. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll give the username. For this also I'm giving the username is India. Okay, let it will make it like India too. Okay. So here you can see the generate a new key pair. Got it?
Yes.
Generate. You can use the existing one also. That's a different story. Just by default you have the generate new key pair. And you can give the key pair name. You can give any name. I'm giving like Linux. It's clear.
Yes.
So while creating the Linux machine only, by default it is added the port 22. Next disk. Same story, you know that, right? Standard SSD. Next networking. Subnet 1. Next management. Next monitoring. Disable. Next advanced. Next tags. And finally review and create. Just we have changed the authentication method. Okay. Got it? So when it is creating the virtual machine, an SSH key will contain the public key and private key. Azure does not store the private key. So after the SSH key, resource is created. Got it? So we are going to download the private key. Any doubts here? Any doubts here?
No, no, Sandeep.
No, sir.
To create a virtual machine. So once you downloaded, you can see that one key is created, Linux key.pem, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? I told you, right? Linux key.pem. Linux key.pem is a private key. So while creating the virtual machine, I given the key name, right? Linux key is a key name, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
It's in the PEM format. So we download the putty gen, right? Yes or no? Putty gen is nothing but to change
PEM to PPK.
private key from PEM to PPK format. What is it? PEM
PPK.
means private enhanced mail. What is it? Private enhanced mail to PPK format. Got it? Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
So you have to open the putty gen. You can go with the putty gen here. And directly go with the putty gen here. Got it? You have to load. What you have to load? I have downloaded the file, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'll go with the downloads, but it is not showing the file. Why? Because it is showing only the PPK format. You have to make it like all files. Then you have to select this
PEM.
Linux key.pem. Click on save. Successfully imported the foreign key, private key in the old PEM format. Which format it is? Old PEM
PEM form.
format. Which format we need? We need in the PPK format. Okay. Save the private key. Okay. Yes. And which format I want to give here? Already it is downloaded in the PPK format, right? I can give the Linux. You can give any name, no worries. Okay. Any doubts here?
No.
You have the Linux key.pem is there, and you have the PPK is there. In the real time, you are going to use the. In the real time, you have to create a virtual machines by using the SSH only. Got it? Hello.
Yeah, okay, son.
Okay,
You
Got
are
it.
going to authenticate by using the SSH only. So here, I'll go with virtual machine is created, right? Yes or no? That's the Linux machine 2. Everything is same except authentication. Okay. I'll just copy this public IP. I'll go with the putty. I'm just closing this. I'll just go with the putty.
Here you have selected Red Hat, right, Sandeep?
Both same only.
Okay.
Arey yaar. Same operating system. Yaar. Either you can use the Ubuntu also same thing. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll just go with the public IP here. Satish, are you able to follow me? Aravind, Satish.
Yes, yes, Sandeep.
You can give the
yes,
public
Sanjay.
IP here
Yes, Sanjay.
and port number 22. In the right side, you can see the SSH.
Yes.
And here you can see the authentication. Click on authentication. And here you can see the credentials. And you have to browse it. And you have to select all the files in the downloads. What is the file here?
PPK.
NST.ppic format. Click on open. Click on accept. Right click, change settings, appearance.
Appearance.
Yeah, got it. What is your username?
India.
India 2.
Oh, India too.
Now you can see that authentication with the public key imported successfully, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you got it right. How to authenticate the Linux machine by the username and password, as well as you can authenticate by using the SSH key. It's clear?
Yes, Sandeep.
Satish, is it clear for you?
Yes,
Basic
Sanjay.
Linux commands. What are the basic Linux commands? So there are many commands are there, but few commands are important for us. Okay, not all the commands. Basically, definitely we require the few commands.
LS.
First one is first command is basic Linux commands. Okay, So first command I'm using is clear. What is it? Clear. Clear is nothing but
To clear the screen.
clear the screen. What is it? Clear is nothing but clear the screen. And okay, so for example, I'm going to install Git. What is it? For example, I want to update this mission. Got it? Hello?
Yeah, yes.
Uh, install update -y. What is it? Sorry. Yum install yum update -y. What is the error is showing here?
This command has been run while suspicious privileges under the root
Super
user.
user privileges. What is it? We require the super user privilege under the root user. What is it? Under the
Root user.
root user. Means India 2 is just a user. It's not a root user. Got it?
Yes, we need to change the
Change
directory.
the sudo su hyphen. Sudo su hyphen. This is nothing but switch user. What is that? Switch user to super user. Super user is nothing but root user. Okay. Got it? Got
Okay.
it? So when I go like sudo
Yes.
su hyphen, now you can see the India 2 at the rate Linux mission 2. We redirect to root at the rate
Linux machine.
Linux mission. Now I can give like yum update. Now you can see that it is updating now. Yes or no? Example yum update. Right? And you can use yum install get tar zip. Sorry, zip. Install it. Is it clear? So I'm going. What are the things I'm installing? I'm installing duplicate. I'm installing the tar. I'm installing the unzip. I'm installing the git. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Require the control C to cancel the operation. What is it? What is it?
Control C.
Control C. Cancel the
Operation.
So, for example, if I want to exit from the root user, okay, got it. I want to switch from super user to root user. Simply you can give like exit. Got it?
Okay.
What's the exit command?
Okay, sir.
To move from the super user to
Switch or log out from root user. Clear?
yes.
Now, Sandeep, you told me like yum update -y you can give, right? Yes or no? This is not working. So without redirecting to the root user, can I do it from here only? You can do it. Okay. Simply by using the sudo. What is it?
Sudo.
Sudo yum update. Any doubts here?
No.
Or I'm installing the missions. You can do it like this also. Sudo. Got it? Hello.
Yes, yes, Sandeep, got it.
Yes,
So,
Sandeep.
super user is doing yum update. You can give. I'm going to install wget. I'm going to install git. I'm going to install unzip. Unzip, you know that, right?
Yes.
Wget we are using to download it. Git is nothing but a repository. Unzip, you know that, right?
Yes.
When is zip folders are there, you want to
Into
extract the
unzip.
files.
Yes.
Unzip.
Yes,
Tar also is one like zip only. Hyphen y. I'm
Sandeep,
installing.
wget,
Sorry,
wget.
to download. Okay. Sorry, yum install. Sorry, wget to download. I'll explain you. Don't worry. Okay. I'm just installing. I want to show you that how to install it. Okay. Got it. Hello.
Yes. Yes, Sandeep, got it.
Yes, yes, Sandeep.
Yeah, completed.
So after that, we are going to learn. For example, if you want to create a folder in your computer, how you will create a folder?
Go into files, creating, right click and
Right click, new,
new folder.
right? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'll give the folder name as Azure. If I want to do the same thing in the Linux machine, you're going to call it like directory. What is it?
Directory.
So what is the command to create a directories? Mkdir. What is it?
mkdir.
Mkdir. It's nothing but make directory. Got it?
Yes.
Example mkdir classes or Azure patch. Got it? Before that, you had to learn the commands code ls. What is it?
List the files.
List all the files and folders. What is it?
List all the files and folders.
ls is nothing but all files and folders.
Directories or folders.
Yes, hyphen al is nothing but list all 10 files and folders. Folders is nothing but directories. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
For example, you can see the list. You don't have any files and folders, right? If I get list hyphen al dot, what are the files with the dot is nothing but hidden files. Got
Hidden
it?
files.
So what I will do, I'll create a directory mkdir but Azure. Okay. It also
No.
Azure bash. For example, if I want to, we have created the Azure bash right in the desktop. If I want to create, I want to open this file. What I will do? If I want to open this file, how to open this file? If I want to see what are
Just
the
double tap.
files, double tap or right click and open, right? Yes or no?
Right click and open.
The
Yes,
same thing
yes,
if you want to do it in the Linux machine, you
We
have
need
to
to
use the
do
command called cd.
ls. Oh, change directory.
Change directory. We're going to change it. cd example cd Azure patch. cd Azure patch. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Now where I'm here, I'll give the
No.
list.
yes, Sandeep.
You
I'm
are
in
in
the
the
Azure
Azure
web
batch.
batch. You can see that I'm in the Azure batch. You're not able
Yes.
to see any files or not able to see any folders.
Now it is moved to tilt symbol touch.
Yes, you can see here. Here I don't have any files or folders in the desktop also, right? If you want to
Yes.
create any files here, how to create?
New.
Just copy paste.
Here also new.
Right click, new,
New folder.
file.
Uh,
This is a
Oh,
file, okay?
yes.
just
For
okay.
example,
Yes.
Azure class 1, for example. Got it? Yes or no? This is the way you will create, right?
Yes.
The same thing you want to
Yes.
create in the Linux machine, you have to use a command called touch. What is it?
Touch.
Example, touch class 1. Got it? You can
Yes.
see here. We don't have any files here. We don't have any. Why? Because we are in the Azure batch, we don't have any files in, right? Touch Azure class 1. Got it?
Yes.
If you want to create a multiple files, you can see the list here. Azure class 1 is there, right? Is there no? I
Yes.
want to create a multiple file.
Yes.
Azure
Yes.
class 2,
Has to.
Azure class 3, Azure class 4. Like this, I can give the multiple files. Got it?
Oh,
Got it? In the
yes.
directory also same thing. If you write the directory name side by side, it is going to create all the directories. Here also it is going to create all the files. Got it?
Okay. If you want to create a directory,
You can create a directory in this also. You can say this mkdir, for example, Azure batch 2, Azure
okay.
batch 3, like this.
Okay. These are the folders.
This is the files, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, if I want to write something in this file, how can I write it in the Azure class 1?
Just go to that file and we need to
Right click,
open.
open. Yes or no?
Yes.
Come to Azure class side. Yes or no? Then file, save, file, exit, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
The same thing you have to do it. But here you have to use the command vi. What is it? Vi is nothing but to edit the file. Listen carefully. Hello? It's very
Yes.
important and little bit confused also. Vi Azure class 1. Got it? Vi is nothing but editor. Okay? You will get the screen like this. Once you get the screen like this, press I button. What is it?
I.
I. If you press I button,
I.
it is going to show the insert here. Okay? Then you have to write it. Welcome to Azure class. After that, you want to exit, right? You have to give the escape. Press escape button. Got it?
Escape. Okay.
Then this insert is going to
Disappear.
disappear. Then colon. Column means you can see that bottom of the screen, you can see the column here.
Yes.
W, Q is nothing but save. W is nothing but save and Q is nothing but exit.
Quit. Okay.
Is it clear? VI,
Yes.
sorry, example,
Yes.
VI, Azure, class 1, then press I button. What is it? Press I, then press I is nothing but edit mode. What is it?
Edit mode.
Then
Write the text.
escape. Press,
Escape.
press, escape. Write it right. Write the content. Okay. Press escape, right? Escape means exit,
Exit.
edit mode. Okay. Then
WQ.
colon WQ. Okay. Save and click. What is save and
It is colon WQ or only WQ, sir?
colon WQ.
Okay.
Any doubts here?
No,
So
sir.
once again, I'm doing here VI Azure class 1. You don't have the edit mode. Okay. You have to press I button. You're getting the
Insert.
edit mode. Insert. Then
Okay.
good morning. Whatever you want to write, you can write it. Insert is there, right? Just you have to escape. Then you are going to exit from the insert mode. Shift to colon. You have the colon button, right? Yes or no? Beside L. Okay. WQ.
Yes.
Nothing but save and quit. Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep. We can write on
No, Sandeep.
particular,
Clear.
Sandeep, we need to write only on particular first line, or we can jump to the last.
I told you, right? We can jump anytime. I written in the fifth line right now. Good morning.
Okay.
Press enter, right, Sandeep?
Just enter.
Oh.
Just enter, yeah.
Okay.
Enter and
Okay. Backspace.
good morning. You can write anything by using the keyboard.
Uh,
You can use the up arrow,
backspace
down
only,
arrow.
right? Sandeep?
To delete the
Oh,
backspace,
okay.
right?
Okay.
To deleting
Okay.
backspace. To moving up and
Okay.
down, you can use the arrows, right?
Yes.
You can use the
Okay,
arrows,
Sandeep.
up arrows, down arrow. Got it? Any doubts here?
Yes, sir. No, Sandeep.
Escape, colon, WQ. So after that, I want to see, you have written and you edited. I want to see what are the information or what are the content which is present in this Azure classroom, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Just you want to see, double click it, right? The same thing you want to do it in the Linux machine. You want to use a command called cat. What is it?
Cat.
cat and Azure class 1. Just make it like Azure class 1. Got it? You can see here, you are getting all the content here. Clear this. Any doubts here? Hello?
Yes, Sandeep. No.
Cat command. What is it? To view the content in the file.
Okay.
Example. Cat Azure class 1. Is it clear?
This one.
Next, ls. You want to delete these files. You can use a command called rm. What is it?
Remove.
Rm. You can give the file names. It's clear?
Yes.
So what is this?
Copy
RM.
option is working.
Sorry. Let's see
Simply
where
we
this.
can copy and paste in Linux.
Yes, yes, we do it. A remote. Remove files. Okay. Example. RM. Azure class 1. Got it? Hello.
Yes, Sandeep. Got it.
Now you can see that you have
So-
only one file. Got it? Copy Azure class 1 to Azure class 2. We have the two classes, class 1 and class 2. If you want to view cat Azure class 2. Azure class 2 also you have the welcome to class. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
CP is nothing but copy the Satish, is it clear?
Yes, Sandeep.
Copy Azure class 1 to class 2. Any doubts or any?
No.
Now I want to get back to the previous path. Okay. CD. What is it?
Changed.
CD.
CD.
Double dot. Now where I move from Azure batch to home directory. This is nothing but
Home directory.
home directory. So what is it? CD move backward. What is it?
Move back.
Any doubts here?
No, Sandeep.
For example, you can see the
No,
directories
Sandeep.
here. You
Clear.
can see the directory here, right? Azure batch is the directory. I want to remove the directory rm-rf. For example, sometimes Azure batch is going to delete. Cannot remove Azure batch is a directory. If you want to remove it, rm-rf Azure batch. See the list here. You don't have the batch. Okay. rm-rf remove example remove rm-rf Azure batch. Guys, are able to follow me?
Yes.
Is it boring, Satish?
Yes, Sandeep.
No.
No, no, Sandeep. Yeah.
So generally, most of the people will felt bored while teaching the Linux. Okay, so this is the
No,
how
Sandeep.
we are
No both.
how to delete the files and how to delete the folders. Okay, for example,
Okay.
I'm creating the multiple directories. I have the A directory, mkdir. I have the A directory, chain directory A, mkdir, B directory, chain directory B, mkdir, C directory, chain directory to C. So mkdir C directory, right? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah. Okay.
mkdir D directory, chain directory D. Totally how many directories? 4 directories we get. So right now I'm in the D directory. But before that, how many directories are there? You
Three.
have you have A directory, B
3.
directory, C directory. You want to know that in which
C
path
directory.
you are now. PWD.
Present directory.
Present working directory. Present directory. So you can go here. PWD. In the home directory, you have the India 2. In the India 2, you have the A. In the A, you have the B. In the B, you have the C. In the C, you have the D. Got it? Hello?
Yes, Sandeep. Got it.
Yes,
If I
Sandeep.
want to go from D to C, CD double dot.
Double.
You can see the list. You can see the present working directory. I'm in the C directory.
Seed.
If I want to go with the C to B, CD
Double.
double dot. If I want to go with the CD, double dot. Right? So
Double.
directly, example, you can directly change the directory A to B, B to C, C to D. Okay, I'm in the home directory, right?
Yes.
Sir, no. Chain directory A,
Yes. Yes.
B, C, D. Yes. Chain directory A, B.
C.
Right now in which directory I am right now?
D directory.
D directory. For example, I want to from D directory to the B directory. I don't want to the C directory. Are you able to follow me?
Yes. CD double dot slash.
Yes.
Okay. So chain directory to double dot slash double dot. Okay. For example,
Move 2 steps backward.
CD. Got it?
Yes, D to B.
Way to where? From
D to
D
B.
directory to B directory. We skip the
Bit.
C directory. Got it?
Yeah.
Steps.
Move 2 steps backward.
Example. Directory to A to B, B to C. Okay. Video. D to
Yes, Sandeep.
Okay, sir.
For example, I'm in the which directory? Chain directory. A. Is that no?
Yes.
I want to move from D directory to A directory directly. Okay, I want to move from D
C.
directory to the home directory. I don't want to give the slash and all these things. Simply you can give the CD from any path to home directory. Now which you can see here, which directory right now we have? Which now? Right now in
Home
which
direct.
directory? Home directory. What is the command? CD. What is it?
C.
CD. Generally
C.
you can use the
Change
tilde.
directory.
You can use the tilde also, or you can see the tilde symbol, right?
Yes. Tilde.
Okay. Any path to home path. Clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, Sandeep.
So these are the things, and yeah. So any other questions? These are the basic Linux commands. If you know
Okay.
these things, you can work on it. Okay.
Okay. And Sandeep, we can use these commands in any platform like Red Hat or Ubuntu, whatever.
Wherever you can use. But the thing is that in the Ubuntu, behalf of yum is there, right?
Yes.
You have to use the app. What is it? Behalf of yum. Replace or replace. Got it?
APT. Instead of M, we need to do
Use
APT.
APT in Ubuntu.
Okay.
Okay. In the
Only
Red
this thing
Hat,
or
only the
is any
Ubuntu.
other?
In only Ubuntu, you have to use the APT. For
Okay.
other things, you can use the yum.
Remaining all are same
Say,
comments only.
mostly we are working on the Red Hat Kali Linux. 99% we are going to use the Red Hat. 90%. And 10-20% you're going to use it. Mostly we are going to use the Red Hat and Ubuntu. Okay. Or Kali Linux.
Okay.
It's clear for everyone.
Yes, Sandeep.
And Sandeep, in virtual machines, we have two types of OSs. One is Windows and Unix. In Unix only, we will have Linux and Mac, right?
Yeah. And one more thing, important thing. I'm sharing the recording site. Download
Yes.
the recording immediately itself. Okay. So today
Yes.
itself. And after 2 3 days, it is going to expire. And one more important notice: after doing the practice, don't neglect. Okay. Please delete your resources. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very strict.
Okay.
Here you have the option called apply post credit. Click on the link. It is going to create a network voucher. Another resource group it is going to create. just delete everything. Okay.
And
Once
Sandeep,
you done the practice, yes, go ahead, Arvind.
yeah, I have a pay-as-you-go subscription, but in my subscription it is showing as a my test subscription.
Arvind, sorry, my test.
Subscription. It is a free trial or in the subscription it is showing 0 only.
What is a zero? Subscription name is anything is fine. What is it is creating the virtual machine, right? You're creating the services, right?
Yes.
Then what is the problem in that?
I actually have taken this pay-as-you-go. Already this 30 days period has completed for my account.
Hmm.
So I have selected pay-as-you-go. I have
Hmm.
created this virtual machines, right? I didn't delete it.
Delete it every day. You have to delete it.
Okay.
Yesterday also I told you, right?
Yes, yes. You have
If
told
you're
me that.
not deleting, for example, now I use, right? It's
Yes.
cost like 2 rupees or 5 rupees something, right? I have paid two virtual machines, right?
Yes.
But if you're not deleting means 5 rupees into 24 hours. How much it is? 125. Yes or no?
Yes.
We'll get one bill.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Then so once you've done the practice, immediately do the practice. Immediately
Delete.
delete them. Okay. If you delete the resource code, it's
Okay,
going to
sir.
delete all the things.
Okay, sir. Sure.